In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Discord profile picture invisible in a few steps. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So as you can see, I have a normal profile picture right now, but I also have an invisible username. I also made a tutorial about how to make your username invisible in Discord, so I will also leave it on the description below. And to make your profile picture invisible again, you will firstly need to download this profile picture. I will leave the link in the description below. Just click download right here and it will download the invisible profile picture. So once you have it, just go to Discord and click user settings. Then go to edit user profile and click your profile picture. Now let's upload the image we just downloaded, which is this one, transparent. Click here and you should have the invisible profile picture. Apply the changes. Save the changes, and now we can close this. So as you can see, our profile is fully invisible right now because I have the invisible name and the invisible profile picture as well. But if you want, you can just keep a normal username and just leave the profile picture invisible. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.